Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to search journal index in Web of Science, which is focusing on Social Science Citation Index and Science Citation Index. Okay, first of all, go to library website. Okay, next click on Research Data Management website. Okay, from here, go to Journal List and find Journal List, Social Science Citation Index and Science Citation Index. Click on that. Next, click here. And this is the list of journal index in Web of Science. So next, Ctrl F and find the journals that you are looking for. For example, I search for Bulletin of the Malaysian Mathematical Sciences Society. And yes, I found that this particular journal is indexed in Web of Science. Next, you can check the impact factor and also quartile journal. That's all. And please bear in mind that this journal is taken from Web of Science and latest at November 2019. Thank you.